What are your imaginations about a house? How will you draw a house when you are requested to draw one? In this video, we are going to draw some houses. So, welcome. We start with the picture of a mushroom house. So, this house looks like a mushroom. So, the top portion of the house, or what we call the roof, is like mushroom. And the door is on the stem of the mushroom. And at last, we can give colors to this picture to make it more beautiful. And in the top roof, we have added some spots, some circles, and we can give different colors to that for beautifying this. And this is a normal house. So we have the normal window, door, roof, the chimney, and there are some smoke from the chimney as well. This is also a normal house, but a slightly different from what we have drawn in the previous one. Here, the curves are drawn not with cutting edges, they are somewhat smoothly drawn, so we have this figure with us right now. We move to our next item. This is also a normal, regular shaped house, and we have the chimney there, and some smoke is also coming out. Then we can add a road to that house. Then there can be a tree, and what all things do we need extra? Do we need a sun, moon, or clouds? You can add anything as you like. So this is a typical house, and we can give colors to this picture. To the roof and the door, I have given orange color, then green can be given to the trees, sun can be painted red, trees and plants around it. So this looks very cool and good. Now we can draw the next item. So the shape of the house is different, as we can see, and this is again a mushroom house, but not like the mushroom house that we have drawn in the beginning, but this is also a beautiful mushroom house. Now we can draw the next house. Here also we have a chimney and smoke is coming out. This is also a regular house, not an extraordinary one. We can draw sun and the sky. We can also draw trees and plants around it. Now we are drawing a cactus. Do you know what is a cactus plant? Okay, so what about building a house similar to a cactus plant? That is what we are drawing now. We are drawing two branches on the right side and one on the left side. And now we can draw a window. And as you can see, we have folded the paper and the center, if we open it, there is a space. In that space, we can mark or draw the person who is living inside the cactus house. That is a porcupine. So we can draw the porcupine inside the cactus house.